So student, we learn here laws of motion, lesson number 1 in science and technology standard 9. In first we learn about motion of an object. Motion of an object. Motion is the phenomena in which the object changes its position over the time. So we learn about the flight of a bird, stationary train, leaves flying through air. So we can explain from this the presence or absence of motion. So we learn in this lesson displacement and distance. So we can see the picture, location of the school and houses. Here is the Sheetal and Prashant's house. Both are friends and they want to go to their school. Here is a school. Here is a Prashant's and Sheetal's house. So from this picture we can learn the what is mean by distance and displacement. Sheetal first went to her friend Sangeeta's house. Look at this. Sheetal's house and Sangeeta's house. How long is the distance? 500 meter. Sheetal's house to Sangeeta's house. Sheetal first went to Sangeeta's house on her way to school. नंतर ती परत स्कूलला गेली. म्हणजे संगीता's house to school distance is 1200 meter. Whereas Sheetal and Sangeeta's house 500 meter. What is total distance they travel? 1700 meter. Okay. Then Prashant went straight from home to school. Both are walking. Both Prashant and Sheetal and Prashant walking with the same speed. एकाच गतीनं ते गेले. शीतल पहिल्यांदा तिची मैत्रीण संगीताच्या घरी गेली आणि संगीताच्या घरून शाळेत गेली. ती ॲक्च्युअल डिस्टन्स किती केलं त्यांनी? 1700 मीटर. आणि प्रशांत हा सरळ शाळेत गेला, तो 1300 मीटर. Who will take the less time to reach the school? मग कमी वेळ कोणाला लागणार? 1700 मीटर चालणाऱ्यांना लागणार की 1300 मीटरला लागणार? कारण दोघांची स्पीड एकच होती. तर प्रशांत विल टेक लेस टाइम. व्हाय प्रशांत टेक लेस टाइम? त्याला कमी वेळ का लागला? बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ यू नो दॅट डिस्टन्स इज द length of actual path. Distance is the length of actual path traveled by an object. Distance म्हणजे काय होते? Actual path traveled by an object in motion. म्हणजे प्रत्यक्ष जे अंतर असते त्याला आपण distance असं म्हटले जाते. From one point to another point. Whereas the displacement is the minimum distance between starting and फिनिशिंग पॉइंट और एंड पॉइंट. म्हणजे प्रशांत जे ट्रॅव्हल केलं अंतर चालला दॅट इज कॉल्ड अ डिस्प्लेसमेंट. आणि शीतल जी चालत गेली दॅट इज अ डिस्टन्स. सो वी लर्न फ्रॉम दिस पिक्चर अबाउट द डिस्टन्स अँड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सो वी कॅन लर्न द डिफरन्स बिटवीन डिस्टन्स अँड displacement. Distance is the length of the path traveled by a body while moving from initial position to final position, while displacement is the shortest distance. म्हणजे कमी अंतर जे असते, शॉर्टेस्ट जे अंतर असते that is called displacement between the initial position and the final position. Distance is a scalar quantity while displacement is a vector quantity. Distance measured is always positive while displacement can be positive or negative. So both distance and displacement measure in the unit meter. So we can learn here another example. Distance and displacement. You can look at this picture. Displacement and distance. If a car starting from point P to Q, you can look at this picture. A car starting from point P to Q goes to point Q in this figure and then return to point P. म्हणजे ती कार P पॉइंट पासून Q पॉइंटला गेली, परत ती P पॉइंटला आली. हाऊ मच डिस्टन्स how much distance it traveled and what is the displacement. जरी ती 360 मीटर ट्रॅव्हल केलं असली पण डिस्प्लेसमेंट काय होईल त्याचं 0 होईल. दुसरं एक उदाहरण आपण या ठिकाणी पाहतो. या ठिकाणी या सर्कलमध्ये ए पॉइंट दिसतो आपल्याला. एव्हरी मॉर्निंग स्वराली वॉक राउंड द एज ऑफ ए सर्क्युलर फील्ड हॅव्हिंग ए रेडियस ऑफ 100 मीटर. याचा रेडियस किती आहे 100 मीटर as shown in this figure. If it start from point A and take the round, how much distance she walk and what is her displacement? Her displacement is 0. Her displacement is 0. म्हणजे if the displacement and object is 0, the actual distance traveled by it may not be 0. जरी डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0 असलं ॲक्च्युअल जे डिस्टन्स असते ते 0 नसते. सो वी लर्न इन दिस व्हिडिओ अबाउट डिस्टन्स अँड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टँड दिस displacement and distance? We can look at this again another picture. There is a boy travel from point A to B to his house 400 meter, 300 meter. How many distance is the 7, and directly went to the house is 5 meter. It is 7 meter and 5 meter. 5 meter is called displacement. 5 meter हे काय आहे displacement. म्हणजे shortest distance is the displacement and longest means actual path is traveled by is the distance, that is 7 meter. So we learn from another example also. So here we learn about the distance and displacement. Distance is a scalar quantity whereas displacement is a vector quantity. So in this lesson the magnitude of distance and displacement are equal. The motion was in direction in a straight line. Okay.